love me. You don't somebody gonna, you don't love me, somebody gonna love me. Like, when I don't walk, I gotta go and get.
So I like kind of have an idea what I want to do, but I also have no idea at the What is my problem? Okay. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you have never been here before, hello, my name is Brooke. I post beauty and lifestyle related content weekly and would love for you to subscribe and join this squad we've got going here on YouTube. But for today's video, I'm doing a tutorial on this summer, spring, half-cut crease ombre wing liner look. Okay, that's what we're going with today. That is what I created for you guys today, and if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as my primer today. You guys, I'm sure, know how much I love this stuff. It is just thebomb.com. And then just setting that with a little bit of powder. Alright, so the first thing I will be doing is going into my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I don't have the names of the shades in front of me and I don't have them memorized, so I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. And I am going to buff that onto the outer corner and crease area. I don't normally use shimmer shades in the crease, however, I just love the tone that this shade has to it. It is so beautiful, especially when it's blended out. So I'm just going to go in and start to create that V shape with this. Now I'm going to be dipping into the shade 2 shades next to it, which is this one right here. It has a bit of that berry tone to it, and I'm just going to slightly buff this into my crease to start to build some definition. Also focusing this a bit on the outer corner. Now I'm just going to go in and cut my crease to just give myself some more lid space to work with and also to brighten up the eye just a little bit. Now just going back in with that first shade and focusing on creating more of that angled shape and that outer corner. And now going in with this shade right here and putting that all over my lid. And then tapping that first shade slightly in between these outer corner and the lid shade to blend it together. Then I'm going to be going in and doing some ombre winged liners. So for the beginning, I will be using my Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Feelin Myself. Next, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in the shade I'm Shook as the middle part of the ombre liner. And to finish off the line, I will go in with my Morphe Slate Gel Liner. So now I will be filling in my brows with my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Now to prime, I will be using my Smashbox So Chill Coconut Primer Water. This stuff is awesome. It's super refreshing and it helps to make your makeup last all day long. For foundation, I will be using my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation. Now going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my under eye, nose, forehead, and chin. I will be applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the shade Perla to the high points of my face to highlight today. And to set my under eye, I will be using my RCMA No Color Powder. And then to set my face, I will be using my BareMinerals BarePro powder. I'm going to be using my Morphe 9BZ bronzing palette to bronze today, and I will be picking up these two shades right here, mixing them together, and then applying them with a powder brush. Blush, I will be going in with the NARS blush in the shade Deep Throat. Using my Morphe and Bretman Rock highlighting palette, I will be going in with the shade Get Laid. First, spraying my face with some MAC Fix Plus and then applying this over top. Taking that same shade and putting that on my inner corner and my brow bone to highlight. Then going in and lining my lower waterline with some black liner and blending it out with that very first shadow that we put down. Alright, and then putting on a quick coat of mascara. I will be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara today. Going in and putting on some falsies. I will be using the Allure Luxe Silk Marquise Silk Effect lashes. Then putting a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps to get my videos out and help reach other people. And also feel free to leave comments letting me know what kinds of videos you guys want to see down below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.